So guys, as you can see us here live, we are trying to just mix the water with the fowl pox. All right, that fowl pox right here is 1000 dose. All right, so we are actually going to mix it with the injection water. Okay, so I just had to call my friend. He's also in the field, so for the sake of this video, I just called him so I can actually video very well. Okay, so now he's pouring the injection water into the fowl box. All right, so you have to shake, all right, for it to be mixed thoroughly. Okay, then I have to cut a rubber. Then after cutting the rubber, I will just have to pour it, all right, in a Ragulis can. You can see what I'm actually holding. We have to pour it in a Ragulis can, all right. That is small. Okay, so this other one that is trying to actually open is the one I got from a chemist. Okay, so you can see he's also trying to pour and pressing the water out of it. Okay, so they're actually going to give you an injection water from where you get the fowl pox. Okay, then the other one, if it doesn't reach, you can get extra. So mine will not reach, so I don't want to just do it halfway. I just have to get it. Okay, so I'm currently holding the fowl pox vaccine. This is actually 1000 dose of fowl.
You can see Agro. This Black Friday Agro. Be careful. Noji. Eh? I say eggs for 3-4 months. I know it like this. He buy another 30. As she do this thing, I say, this thing fine. Oh. Lastly.
So guys, if you can see, we just gave them here. We were actually bringing them out from here to this place, right? So you can see now we're actually going to send them inside. Okay, so now we're actually going to take them inside. So give them inside now. Right, so let's place them inside. can see them. Yes. Okay. You can see how so guys, they are almost done entering inside. You can see. So that's all for now. So guys, this is just a very quick one. Alright, so this is the fowl pox vaccine. Alright, you have to look closely. This is the fowl pox vaccine. You see where they write SPF. So this SPF means cinder pox. Alright, you look at it, you see where they wrote cinder pox vex. When you look at cinder pox vex, you see where they wrote live fowl pox vaccine. Alright, that is how you know that this is fowl pox. Alright, this is 1,000 dose. Alright, I didn't see the 300 dose, so I got 1,000 dose, although it's not written. So what you have to do next is to check for the expiry date. Alright, it's very, very important to check for the expiry date. Alright, so this is going to expire 2026. If you look closely, it's 2026. So this is the water that do comes with it. You're actually going to mix it. You have to mix this. Alright, this is the water that comes with this. Alright, so this is 10 mils. Alright, so this 10 mils will go for 100 beds. So if you have 1,000 beds, you give 10 of this. Alright, which is 100 mils. 100 mils will be okay for 1,000 beds, but you can get extra should in case, alright, it doesn't reach. So I got extra. This is still, you go to any clinic, pharmacist or chemist, tell them to give you injection water. This is 10 mils. Alright, so I got 2 mils, which is about 40 mils, and I'm now having up to 400 beds, and it was very okay. So guys, don't try to vaccinate this by yourself. Don't try it at all. Okay, so you just have to stab it at the wing web. When you look close, this is the needle. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it so we can actually learn together. Alright, so this is the needle. Alright, this needle has an eyes. So you place it inside the vaccine. When you mix it, you place it this way and pierce through the wing web of the bird. Alright, I've done that in the beginning of this video, so you can watch closely and you understand. So you can see our bird. I just came to feed them again for the afternoon ration. They are really very hungry and thirsty. Alright, they are stressed out as well because they were vaccinated. Okay, so you can see them eating and they are doing very well. So guys, if you are joining for the very first time, please do to like, share and hit the subscribe button. And if you have been following us for a while now, thank you and keep up the good work. Thank you and have a wonderful day.